Welcome to room 451. This is a king junior suite. So as soon as you come through the door, on your left is a closet. In the closet, they have an ironing board, a full-size safe, hair dryer, extra pillow, blanket, and then they have a robe and slippers in here. Now, as you make your way through the room, you have this living area that opens up to the bed area. And as you make your way through here, you're gonna have an okay view. It's a city view. It's nothing spectacular, but it could suck. I've had a lot worse. But you got a little park out here that you can look at. You have a large TV with the entertainment center. And the bathroom, for being a suite, a king junior suite, it's actually a little bit disappointing. As you can see, there are mirrors everywhere, which makes it feel bigger. But they haven't really renovated it. It's still just a basic tub with basic shower head. So it's a little disappointing on that. You do have your wash area outside of the bathroom. So it gives you a lot of room in the shower area, but it's pretty nice. I'd probably stay here again. Inside the Crystal Ballroom. Now, the Crystal Ballroom was used for several movies. In the movie True Lies, this is where they did the tango scene. In Pretty in Pink, this is the prom scene. And in Rocky 3, they used this for the gym that Rocky trained in. It's pretty cool. the movies that were filmed here up and down the hallways. So Ghostbusters, National Treasure, The Dark Knight's over there, Pretty in Pink. They got The Italian Job. That was part of it was filmed here. The pool scene for Cruel Intentions. And then, yeah, baby, Austin Powers. Now that sign that talked about the filming in progress, they have so many movies and videos that are filmed here that they have their own little sign. Now they happen to be filming a music video here. Now there are plenty of music videos that have actually been filmed here. Taylor Swift, Ed Sheeran, they've been here for their music videos. Let's see here. Yep, Taylor Swift's Delicate. So Taylor Swift dances through the hotel lobby and the reception area. Ed Sheeran's Thinking Out Loud. The hotel's ballroom served as a setting for the romantic dance sequence. It didn't say which ballroom. And then Britney Spears' Overprotected. Scenes were shot within the hotel. So it's pretty cool. It's just a few of them. And then the video that was being filmed, there's a music video for a Mexican band. And when they told me the name of it, I don't know who they were. So, but they're filming it here, along with dozens and dozens of movies, dozens of TV shows, and dozens of music videos. So how cool is that?